How to download Grab app on iOS. Need to use Grab on your iPhone? Here's how to download the app safely and quickly on iOS. First, open the App Store on your device. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here at the top you can see the search bar. Tap on it and type in Grab. A list of apps will appear. It should be the first to appear. Once you find the official app, tap on it to open the details page. Here you can see the Get button. Tap on it. If prompted, authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID or Apple ID password. Let it download. It usually takes under a minute. Once installed, open the app and you are ready to create an account or login. If it's not showing in search, double check your region settings under your Apple ID. Grab may not be available in all countries. Have you downloaded Grab on iOS before? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.